All right, everybody, welcome back. It's G. What's cooking tonight? I'm having some salmon patties on this cold, windy night with some real lemons. Gonna squeeze those and put them on there. And I think I'd try some garlic and herb on there. Maybe I was looking for the lemon pepper, but couldn't find it, so I'll put a little pepper on there. I'm gonna indulge in some veggies. Some early garden mixed, well, it says mixed green beans, don't know what that means. Anyhow, and then, so we're gonna prep this lemon by rolling it on the counter. Crush it. Yep, I'm getting lemon on the counter. And then I'm just gonna take a fork to it and put it over that. Yep, I got the seasoning on there. Meanwhile, I'm gonna mix it up and I'm gonna have a little some green or some brown beans, but I'm gonna put in a little bit of spice, maple syrup, right from Canada, hand delivered by a dear neighbor. Let's check that out. All right, here goes some lemon. Yep, freshly squeezed all over the place. The trick is just put a couple holes in it with a fork, and then you don't have the seeds. Hopefully we'll see. All right, let's do that. Okay, we're gonna try the spicy fire in the beans. That should do it. All right, let's go in for a little taste test. Not bad, not bad. Back to this, let's turn that off. Now a few little green beans, get up all that juices. Warm those up just a wee bit. Sorry about the misangle, but I'm trying to look around the phone and cook all at the same time. All right, let's go in for a little taste test. We have lemon on this, got our green beans. Yep. Okay, that'll do it. Cooking with G on this windy night. Hope you had a blast. Come back for more.